Hello, welcome to another video from Sam's Skilled Models. Today we'll be restoring this 1962 Carrier refuse collector from Matchbox. This particular truck has been played with and had a fun life looking at its funky paint job. The original colour for this truck was a silver or an aluminium with some detailing on the front grille, but looking at the back, the hatch is missing as always with this vehicle. So I've ordered a new casting from modelsupplies.co.uk. The casting's really nice, it just needs a little bit of a light buff, and some of the edges are a little bit rough from the casting, so I'll be rubbing them down with a file just to get the nubs off, and that'll just snap on at the back. I'll start off with the Dremel, removing the axle ends, just grinding them off. I've stripped the paint and given it a light once around with a wire brush. The next attachment on the Dremel is this wire brush. So make sure that you wear eye protection and maybe even a face mask, as little wire bristles ping off and get stuck in your skin. Really not nice. The axle mounts have been bent out of shape, so I'll need to set them right. I'll submerge the whole truck into boiled water to heat up the metal, and then I'll just gently bend these back into shape. You can see they're pretty straight now. Quick spray with Tamiya's Fine Primer. I'm just going to clean the wheels in some warm soapy water and then give them a light sanding to get rid of the paint specks with some very light sandpaper. I'm going to spray the truck with this X32 titanium silver paint with some very light coats. For the grill, I'm using a fine brush just to add the ink from a Moloto chrome pen. Just securing the axles with a small blob of solder. I've recreated the original signage on the side of the refuse truck in Photoshop and then printed it out on waterslide decal paper. Before applying these decals, I always coat them in a layer of car paint varnish to stop the ink from running. As you can see, applying these waterslide decals can be very tricky, and trust me, it's a lot harder to do on camera. That's why I always make spares, plus it's a good way of using all the paper so as not to waste it. You can see I smudged this one. This time I used some decal softener first, and I found the key is to touch the decal as little as possible once it's on the surface. Just need to attach the hatch on the back, and there you have it. The truck is fully restored. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and you'd like to support the channel going forward, then please consider visiting my Ko-fi page, linked in the description. And thank you so much for watching.